Welcome to Mom's Cooking Channel. Do you agree with a different pizza made with Italian dough? A pizza that you can't enough of and prepared quickly. To prepare the dough, we need 150 grams of warm water. We also need 5 grams of yeast. Add 6 grams of salt and 1 tablespoon of liquid oil as well. We mix the ingredients together. Then add 250 grams of flour and mix. If you use the ingredients accurately, you won't have to worry about the dough being too loose or too stiff. Knead the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment and I will definitely answer. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover with cellophane, and let rest for about 45 minutes until double in size. Today, my 10-year-old son really likes to cook, and he does most of the work. Slice a mushroom very thinly. Cut the chicken breast very thinly and divide it into small pieces. Pour a little oil into the pan. Fry the meat and the spices you like. Chop the bell pepper. The dough is ready when it has doubled in volume. Another sign is the dough becoming honeycombed. Grease the dish in which we want to bake the pizza and sprinkle it with a little flour. Then roll out the dough as you see fit. Be careful not to spread the dough out about 2 centimeters around. Spread the sauce in the middle of the dough. My son applied a little too much sauce. You should apply less sauce. If you like, you can add a few mint leaves. Place in the oven for 10 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. Remove from the oven and add the meat, mushroom, bell pepper, and pizza cheese. Place back in the oven for another 10 minutes. The delicious pizza is ready. It's really amazing. Be sure to try it. Please like the video and leave a comment to support me.